Hi guys, Ben James here with another video. Thanks for tuning in. Here to talk about affiliate marketing step by step. Now, I'm not sure where you're at with your journey in affiliate marketing, but I can tell you that it can be a little bit of a roller coaster ride. But if you stick at it and you follow a blueprint and follow a proven system, then you can make a living online. You can make a lot of money online. Now I'm just at my dashboard here for one of my accounts that I've just started promoting a product. Um, and I've already got a couple of sales and I've got $1,000 in there, and I had another sale for 500 as well. So I've earned $1,000, and you might say, oh, that's not much. Well, I've only been promoting this for just over a month, and I'm already pulled in $1,000 on this particular account. Just so you know that, oh, who am I? I've been around online for 10 years. I've been affiliate marketing. I have been involved in other businesses along the way. A little bit of MLM, a couple of them businesses um, over the last 10 years to 12 years. And I've also done some outsourcing and some management work for advertising for offline businesses as well. So my experience online is quite broad. And all the way along the line, I've always worked around affiliate marketing as well. I've done SEO and stuff like that for businesses and help them with their advertising and getting their presence online. So I've been around, I've seen some things, I've bought a lot of products, I've tried little things, I've learned a lot. So, guys, if you want to learn an affiliate step by step system, what I'm going to do today is just give you a quick um, overhaul of what the tools you need and what's some of the possible things that you could possibly start doing today that can help get you off making some money. But just before I go, I will go to another account. All of you familiar with ClickBank? If you're not, go and sign up. It's an affiliate digital marketplace. There's a lot of products to promote. And here, I'm just showing you here, just for the last week, I've been able to rein in $686.53. Again, this is just a couple of affiliate accounts I'm showing here, just to give you some solid proof that, there's a lot of people get on here and talk the talk, and they don't have any results at all, or they're not doing much at all in the sense of affiliate marketing. And that's fine. Maybe they're just starting out. That's okay. But I just want to let you know and show you this, that it's possible. You can get results. Um, and affiliate marketing is a very step-by-step process. There's some core things you have to follow. Okay, so let's have a look at that. The core thing too is you have to find a product in a niche that obviously has some attention, that has some or has an audience. Now, what do? Do you go for a very high competitive product? So if we go on the back of ClickBank here and have a look, just for this sake at the moment, a lot of you will be familiar with ClickBank, and we just sort by rank. We look at these kind of products here, which is, I think it's a supplement product. That's a supplement product as well. So there's health and fitness. There's EBs and make money online. There's dive, there's health. There's self-help, spirituality. There's some um, practical categories here about woodworking and all that. So you see all these categories down here. But the top three to stick with, guys, are your marketing, your business marketing, as you make money online, your health and fitness, home and garden can make some money too, and self-help. Okay, that would be the top ones, relationships and how to succeed and that kind of thing. You need to look for a product in here that not only does have a good gravity, so you see here gravity. When I say gravity, when there's 463 other people promoting this product at the moment, there's going to be some competition, but there's a reason there's that many promoting that as well. Is that because they've all made money promoting that? That's what that figure means. It means that they've made money in the last couple of months, and there's been 63 people that have made sales with this product. Now, we don't know how much of those sales. It could be 10 of those people that have made sales, and they could have made $20,000 in the last 2 months. We don't know that. We just know that 463 on average, roughly, in the last couple of months, I think it's 2 to 3 months, have made sales with this product. That means it's very successful. Anything over 20 or 30 is a good product to go after. But if you're starting out, you want a step-by-step system, I wouldn't look for something that's um, as competitive this for now. You want to drill down. Okay, you want to drill down. So what you can do is just come over here and you can look at the gravity maybe from 0 to, let's just say 60, and see what comes up. And put that to 60. There we go. It's a bit brighter. Okay, so now we've got all the products that only have a gravity of maximum 60 to 0. Although we can hone that up because we don't want to go under 20. We could probably just at least go to 100 even. Let's go to 80. Thereabouts. If you start in between there and look at products that have got that kind of gravity, so not a massive amount of competition, but at the same time, you know that anywhere from 20 to 80 people have been selling that product in the last month. So if they're selling it, then they're making money. They're making that $49 per commission on average, or 44 or 118. So you need to go through here now and just sort out what you'd like to promote, whether it's in the health or make money online. Now, once you pick a product that you think might make good money, let's have a look at this one, Smart Money Secret, tested and proven. So we'll just have a quick look at this. Okay, and there's the landing page. Do the simple 5-minute trick to once daily. Watch your credit scores go. So it's a credit score. Okay, so this might be a good landing page to go after. A lot of people want a better credit score. So what you can do is go in here to the affiliate resources. Now, if they've got good affiliate resources, then you're able to, let's just go over here. Let's just do that one for now. Okay, now you can go in here and access these affiliate resources. You got your links, your email swipes. Now, normally, if there's a bit more in here than that, they show you a lot more. So we can go into here and grab different landing pages. There's a couple to pick from. The tracking results. Once you pick, that's your ID from ClickBank. Okay, so you just go and see there. And you can put in here any kind of tracking. So if you're advertising on Facebook, let's say, or doing that kind of thing, all you do is you do that, and all it is down here, copy your affiliate link. Okay, so what you can do is just come here and go, you've got your affiliate link. Now you can go to bit.ly.com, okay, and get that link cloaked. Let's just go to bit.ly and just cloak that really quick. We go to create. Now, obviously, you want to track this. I'm doing this very quickly. And you can say smart money, just so you know where it comes from. Okay, you can copy that link, bring it back here, and paste it there. There's your affiliate link. Okay. There's your affiliate link you can promote. So we'll test that out. Make sure it goes to there. And yeah, we're on. We've got that. Okay, so that's fine. We know we've got the right link. Now, what do you do step by step when you've got your affiliate link? Well, first of all, like I said, if I was going through step by step of the process, what you need to do is have a capture page. You need a page that captures people's like this, captures people's email address. Okay, it's a little bridge page, a capture page that certainly once people click there, they put their email in, and their email address will go to your autoresponder. Okay, now if you're not familiar with all this stuff yet, don't worry about it. You can learn all about this. But That's the ideal way to do it, guys. You need to promote a page before you hit the affiliate link. Okay, so you need a opt-in page. Where do you get one? ClickFunnels. Okay, very simple to use, easy to use, very user friendly. And if you're looking for a free 14-day trial, click in the link below, and you'll see in the links there below there'll be a 14-day trial in my description for ClickFunnels. You can just get on there and start creating pages. Very easy to use. I'm not going to go into this in another video. I do have other videos where I go over that. Okay, how to use ClickFunnels and how to set up an opt-in page. But what you can do is come in here and just model off your affiliate page. You know, you can grab this and model a little bit off this page. Come here, and once you're inside ClickFunnels, you can sort of take this headline and copy it, and maybe change it around. See how this simple 5-minute trick, or learn how this 5-minute trick you do once a day will drastically increase your credit score, you know, or something along the line. So you put that, and you put and then you put in a bit of information there as well. There's plenty of information on the actual website if you come here, because you're going to lead people after they go to ClickFunnels. They're going to come to this opt-in page, and then they'll get redirected, or they'll find the information in your email box. So you can come here for the latest and best converting email swipes. This is all inside. It's all here, right? And you can just put some information on your page, you know. Well, there's some great, look at this. Do this now before the bank cuts your limits, increase your credit score. Banks don't want you to know it's credit card circuit. There's a great headline you can put on your affiliate page here, on your opt-in page, which one people put their email in, and you connect it with the autoresponder. It goes straight to your email responder, and you have a series of these kind of emails that you can send out, which they give you. Look, they give you all the emails you can put into your order, email 3, 4, but you can take some content off here, just a little bit of some of the wording you can put on your page, and supposed to put a button on there. Now, again, I have another video for how to make an opt-in page. Again, I'm not going into this. It's just a click step by step. So we've got ClickFunnels, we've got our affiliate link, we've got our opt-in page, and then we redirect to affiliate offer. Okay, after they opt in, after opt-in. Okay, and then after that we follow up with at least 7 email, which they give you over 7 days. Okay, that's what you need to do if you want to make some money online with your affiliates. Okay, and you can grab these ones, and look, you don't have to copy. You can copy them, put your name at the bottom, but you might add in a couple little things there, but don't go and reinvent the wheel too much. Pick a subject line. There's 4, 5, 6. Well, there's 6 there, 5 there, so that's fine. You can add a couple more just by, you know, having a look at a couple of these other swipes in here as well. There's a couple other different angles, so you can grab a couple of them. And that's it in a nutshell, guys. And you can make sales. You can make sales like this, $1,000, $500 the other day. You can make sales. Okay, so it's very possible. Now, where do you promote it? Where's the traffic? Where's the traffic? So what we need is, first up, I should have put there, is traffic source. Traffic sources. Okay, so what you can do, if you want to bypass this and just promote your affiliate link, you can make a YouTube video like I'm doing now. Okay, you can go and buy some advertising platforms, some banner adverts, where you put your banner ad and a lot of these affiliate products give you that. You can buy some solo ads. Okay. Um, you can, and let me just give you a little tip here. You can go to this one here, and this is called Hercules. And let me just go here to home. And this is a place where you can start testing some of your affiliate links. I don't suggest that you promote your affiliate link directly, but if you want to go on Facebook and work in some groups with Facebook, that's fine. Just don't go spamming it everywhere. Add some value, take some content from some of these stuff and paste and make it your own and paste it in there. Add some value to that group and say, oh, by the way, see the link below if you want more information, about your credit score. Or I watched this great video the other day and it was really good and it helped me get my credit score up. Go and click on the link. Don't spam, just don't spam your link everywhere. Okay, if that's what you want to promote this straight up, but I highly suggest you get an opt-in page through ClickFunnels, set it up, and have an email sequence and follow up. That way you'll get a better result. But you can get some results doing that as well. Okay, I've got results that way, but I've got more results doing it having an opt-in page. Okay, so I'm giving you a step-by-step plan here. Now go to Hercules. You can sign up here, easy to get started, instant advertising, advertise to thousands daily, free. Okay, you can also pay small amounts of dollars. Okay, you can do email marketing there. You can just put your affiliate link in some of the other traffic there, and it just advertises up on the screen. So you can buy so many hits to your affiliate link and test out a few different affiliate offers off ClickBank here that might work. I've had some sales that way. It's not a bad way to start. So guys, I really hope this well. If you're getting value out of this, and subscribe, like, comment below. I'm happy to answer your questions. But please, if you're going to give something a go, please stick at it. Don't come on here and cherry pick information. The best way to go about it, guys, is to follow a proven system. Now, in my link down below, I've got some free training for you along with my mentor, Zach, who's a 7-figure affiliate marketer. So he is just crushing it online. And in the training below, you can go down there right now, sign up 3 days, nothing you have to buy. There's 3 days training, so you can get a feel for that training and you can get a proven access. If you want to move forward with it, you can have a phone call, set up a phone call, talk to Zach about your options and how you want to go forward. And if you want to move forward that, you get a whole funnel, a 90% done for you system, and where Zach, a mentor like him and myself, will hold your hand and help you succeed and get to that 5, 10, 20 grand a month at what you want to earn online with affiliate marketing. Okay, so that would be the ideal way to go. Go and grab a system and get in and get coaching and mentored on the right way to do it, rather than cherry picking stuff off YouTube, and then you could be bumming around for 3 or 4 years or 5 years online, not really getting anywhere. What I've given you today is a great little starter. It's just a teaser, but there is a lot more to it, and how to set up your opt-in pages. But down below, grab the free training. You'll see what I mean on the inside. There is a done-for-you system as well. Depending on your budget, you might want to check that out as well. Guys, if you've enjoyed this, go and get started today. Take action. Put the steps in place and be consistent. Don't give up after the first week if you don't see a sale. Keep pushing forward. Thanks again for listening.